Good morning everyone. This is Himani Saraswat and I am pursuing BA Political Science Honours from Shyama Prasad Mukherjee College of Delhi University. In this video, I am going to discuss the topic Election Commission of India with all of you. Firstly, I'll give you a brief introduction about the Election Commission of India. The Election Commission of India is a permanent and independent body established by the Constitution of India directly to ensure free and fair elections in the country. The first Chief Election Commissioner was Sukumar Sen. Shri Sushil Chandra is the present and 24th Election Commissioner of India. Article 324 to Article 329 of the Constitution deals with powers, functions, tenure, eligibility, etc. of the Commission and the members. Established in accordance with the Constitution of 25th January 1950. The Secretariat of the Commission is located in New Delhi. The Election Commission comprises one Chief Election Commissioner and 2 Election Commissioners. They enjoy the same status and receive salary and perks available to judges of the Supreme Court of India. The Chief Election Commissioners are appointed by the President for the tenure of 6 years or up to the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. There are 2 major functions performed by the Election Commission of India. The first one is to decide the election schedules for the conduct of periodic and timely elections, whether general or by-elections. The second function is that it grants recognition to political parties and allot election symbols to them, along with setting disputes related to it. Now I will discuss with you the most important topic, that is the independence of the Commission. How the Commission is independent and no external body can interfere in its functioning. The Chief Election Commissioner is provided with security of tenure. He cannot be removed from his office except in the same manner and on the same grounds as a judge, same grounds as a judge of the Supreme Court. In other words, he can be removed by the President on the basis of a resolution passed to that effect by both the Houses of Parliament with a special majority, either on the grounds of proved misbehavior or incapacity. The service conditions of the Chief Election Commissioner cannot be varied to his disadvantage after his appointment. Any other election commissioner or a regional commissioner cannot be removed from his office except on the recommendation of the Chief Election Commissioner. The Constitution has not debarred the retiring election commissioners from any further appointment by the government. So this was all about my presentation on the topic Election Commission of India. These are my basic details of college. Thank you so much.